Good morning, students. We are going to do today exercise 1.4, class 7 mathematics, chapter integer. Question number 1a. Evaluate the following. Minus 30 divided by 10 is equal to minus 3. One more question. Minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Here minus 6 plus 5 minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. Question number 2. Verify. A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Value of A, B and C is given. A 12, B minus 4, C 2. LHS. A divided by B plus C, value will give 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. Value of A, B and C we have given is equal to 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. 12 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 6. RHS. A divided by B plus A divided by C. Value of A, B and C we will give 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. Here LHS is not equal to RHS because minus 6 is not equal to 3. Therefore, A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Verified. Now see question number 3. Fill in the blanks. 369, fill in the blanks, is equal to 369. Here it will be 1. Now see question number 4. A divided by B is equal to minus 3. We have to find 5 such pairs so that A divided by B is equal to minus 3. In place of A and B, we will give some integers from our side. So that result will be minus 3. So 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Here pair of integer is equal to minus 2 and minus 6. It is required pair of integers. Similarly, 9 divided by minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Pair of integer 9 and minus 3. 12 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 3. And so on. You will find some of the integers, pair of integers by yourself. Now see question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon is equal to plus 10 degrees C. Rate of change in temperature is equal to minus 2 degrees C per hour. Hours between 12 noon to midnight is equal to 12 hours. We all know that. Change in temperature in 12 hours is equal to 12 into minus 2, in 1 hour minus 2. So in 12 hours, 12 into minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 24 degrees Celsius. Temperature at midnight is equal to minus 24 degrees Celsius, minus 24 degrees Celsius plus 10 degrees Celsius. Minus 24 degrees Celsius plus 10 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 14 degree Celsius will be the temperature at midnight. Now the question is, when will be the temperature 8 degrees C below 0? 8 degrees Celsius below 0, we can write minus 8 degrees Celsius. So temperature difference between minus 14 degrees Celsius and minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 14 minus 8 degrees Celsius. This minus is for difference. Minus 14 degrees Celsius minus plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 6 degree Celsius. You can see here. It is given that -2 degree Celsius temperature change in 1 hour. So -6 degree temperature change in -6 by -2 is equal to 3 hours. Now here the temperature -8 degrees Celsius would be at 3 hours. -8 degrees Celsius temperature would be at 3 hours before midnight, and 3 hours before midnight we can write 9 p.m. Question number 5 we have done. Now next question number 6. This type of question we have done in previous exercise in 1.3. Question number 6, see here again. Marks for a correct answer. Marks for a correct answer is given +3, and marks for an incorrect answer is given -2. And it is given that total marks Radhika has got 20, in which she has done 12 correct answers. So marks for correct answer is equal to 12 into 3 is equal to 36. This is marks for correct answer. But she has got 20 only. So marks for incorrect answer is equal to 20 minus 36. 20 minus 36 is equal to -16 degree. -16 degree is marks for incorrect answer. Now number of incorrect answers is equal to -16 divided by -2 is equal to 8. Means 8 questions were incorrect. So Radhika attempted 8 questions incorrect. Radhika's 8 questions attempted were incorrect. Now question number 7. Question number 6 we have done. You can see the picture here. This is elevator 10 meter above the ground level. This is ground level, 10 meter above the ground level elevator is there, and elevator is moving below the ground level up to 350 meter. It happens in coal mines generally. Now see here, present position of the elevator is equal to 10 meter above the ground level. This is present position, and final position of the elevator is 350 meter below the ground. Total distance moved by elevator is equal to 350 meter plus 10 meter is equal to 360 meter. Now it is given to find out the time taken. It is given that it is moving 6 meter per minute. So time taken is equal to total distance by rate of speed is equal to 360 meter by 6 meter per minute is equal to 60 minutes. So time taken is equal to 60 minutes. We can write 1 hour also. Thank you. Exercise 1.4 has got completed.